Ever start a woodworking project and hit a wall because the plan just didn't make sense? I've been there. That's why I was impressed when I found this. Over 16,000 step-by-step woodworking plans, all in one place. The link's in the description if you want to check it out. Ever felt like your chisel has lost its edge? Today, I'll show you how to sharpen it razor sharp in under a minute. No fuss, using simple, beginner-friendly steps. If it doesn't cut through paper cleanly, we have work to do. Test the edge. Paper test time. If your chisel tears rather than slices, it's dull. Easy check before every session. Needed tools. Here's your sharpening kit. A 1000 grit water, diamond stone or sandpaper, honing guide, leather strop with compound, a cloth and rust-preventing oil. All you need for a razor edge. Step 1. Hone the micro bevel. Clamp chisel in guide at about 30 degrees, lubricate the stone, then pull the chisel back 3 to 5 times until you feel a tiny burr. Once you've got it, repeat on finer stones up to 6 to 8K grit. Step 2. Lap the back. Flip the chisel and lap the back, just the first inch or so, to remove the burr. Drag it back, checking for fresh scratches to confirm contact. Step 3. Strop to finish. Time to strop. Lay the bevel flat, strop back 30 times, then gently strop the back to polish out any burr. This is what makes your edge legendary. Step 4. Final touch and protect. Wipe it clean and add a thin coat of paste wax or 3-in-1 oil. Keeps rust away and lets it glide smoothly on wood. Wrap up and test. Paper slices like butter now. Mission complete. Do the test before every session and strop between full hones to stay sharp. Sharpening doesn't have to be complicated. Keep your chisels paper sharp and your woodworking will thank you. So if you're tired of trial and error and want a massive library of done-for-you projects at your fingertips, check out Ted's 16,000 woodworking plans. Seriously, it's like having a master carpenter in your pocket. You'll find the link in the description below.